Welcome to Online Academy, where we offer diverse range of educational services from grade 10th to PhD, catering to diverse academic needs and career goals. We provide support and guidance on admission to completion of your PhD journey. For details, please visit onlineacademy.org.in or call or WhatsApp 902903128 96790676552. At Online Academy, our mission is to provide individuals, especially working professionals, with top-notch academic services that enhance professional and personal growth. We offer assistance and support 24/7, from admission to the completion of your PhD course journey in UGC-recognized university, which includes admissions, research, thesis writing, and final submission. Our team of experts and professionals will be there to guide you to make your PhD experience seamless and hassle-free. Our team of experts and professionals will be there to guide you to make your PhD experience seamless and hassle-free. Why choose Online Academy for your PhD thesis or dissertation writing? 1. We are highly devoted to providing high-quality writing services to help you achieve all your academic goals and dreams. Point 2. Our team of experts consists of highly qualified writers who are well trained to prepare your thesis or dissertation with excellence. Point 3. Our PhD thesis writing services are both flexible, reliable, and affordable, making it highly accessible to aspirants from all backgrounds. Our PhD thesis writing services are both flexible, reliable, and affordable, making it highly accessible to aspirants from all backgrounds. If you are seeking the best online writing service, Online Academy is your reliable partner for top-notch PhD thesis writing services. We can craft a compelling thesis on any specific topic for any such university, ensuring that your necessary needs are met. With us by your side, you can confidently draft your PhD thesis with no worry. Services includes 1. Research proposal, synopsis, thesis and other academic writing. Point 2. Plagiarism report with Turnitin. 3. Plagiarism improvement up to 90%. Point 4. Data analysis. Point 5. Final proofread. Point 7. Journal publication and conference paper. Feel free to call or WhatsApp at 902903128 96790676552 or visit www.onlineacademy.org.in.